We have a 1970 AMX. I think this is one of the most beautiful AMXs I've seen. The red on red and the big scooped hood and the Magnum wheels. Under the hood is a completely performance-built 401 making 425 horsepower. All the engine specs are here. It's blueprint and balanced. We got a rebuilt 4-speed. We got a posi rear end. We got Willwood disc brakes. We got power steering, power brakes, vintage air, all sorts of cool stuff on this AMX. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, I like the 1970 just because of the scoop. They didn't have that earlier years. First year for that, that's aggressive looking. All this looks very nice. The hood, the top of the fenders, straight, shiny, fits nice and square. This front fender looks real nice, shiny, straight, smooth. I don't see any issues, clean down to the bottom. The door looks real nice. A couple little bubbles in the paint right there, but this is all shiny and straight. Jambs are painted glossy, looking good. Shuts easily. Oh, I didn't do it hard enough though. There we go, nice solid thunk. This looks real good. Real minor little, you can only see it from certain angles, a little like, call it a door dent, but something maybe fell on there. Didn't chip the paint. Trunk lid's looking really good. That's all nice, shiny, straight. No rust, no damage. This is looking real nice. Quarter panel, all clean. Coming up the sail panel, all real nice. Look at this curve here. What neat body lines. This is all real nice. The door's looking real slick. All looking nice all the way to the bottoms, nice and smooth. Shuts very nicely. The roof is real nice over here. The pillar looks real nice. Hairline crack and a little chip right in the corner. Front fender's looking real nice. So overall, the body is very nice. Couple minor flaws if you look for them. The red paint is polished smooth and glossy. It is a factory red car. These bezels look to be in good original condition. The grille looks like it's good original. The bumper has been re-chromed. This hood bar here looks like it's been re-chromed. Here's a touch-up right here on the front of the hood. The stripes look real sharp. I like how they come up all the way up onto the roof. Got the chrome SS1 wheels. They're looking really sharp. They're 15x7 probably. BF Goodrich tires. And those are pretty darn new. Windshield crystal clear. That looks new. The moldings look good original. The mirror looks new. Door handles look new. This quarter panel, I kind of skipped over it, but that's all real nice looking too. The rear window's original. It's got scratches in the glass, and it is tinted. The back bumper's been re-chromed. The tail light looks to be good original. So a sharp looking car. Factory red, got the scoop, got the stripes, got the wheels, it's got the looks. All right, let's open it up, see what's inside. This trunk's gonna come with some bonuses. You just touch it and it pops right open. So under the trunk lid, painted real slick. See the working trunk light? The jamb looks real nice. Weather strip looks real good. Inside's all clean metal. It's been spatter painted. And like I said, it comes with some extras. There's a car cover, wiring diagram, shop books, extra parts. It's got 370 gears. There's the original 315 gears. So this will all go with it. It's all nice and neat, packaged. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. All sorts of cool cars like this one right here. So the door jambs are painted nice. Door weather strips look like they've been replaced. The door panels, I was told, were replaced recently, and they look like it. They look like new. The window cranks look new. So the dash pad looks like it's new. I don't see anything wrong with that at all. The instrument panel's original. You got nice wood grain trim, 140 mile an hour speedometer. You got a tachometer. Now he said he had all the gauges rebuilt. But someone put in some old vintage Stewart Warner gauges. These are the ones that are hooked up. Uh, glove box is clean. The light works. We got a grab bar here. Kick panels are nice. You got real nice carpet, AMX floor mats. The interior lights work. A retro stereo with an auxiliary plug. A new Hurst shifter with the T-handle. Even has red in here. An aftermarket console, but it's nice. You got an armrest. You got your cup holder. The seats, I guess, have all been rebuilt. They're resprung, recushioned, and reupholstered. They look nice. And no back seat in the AMX. They're two-seater. I think technically makes them a sports car. And all the carpet's in real nice shape. Yeah, a couple speakers back there to go with the retro stereo. The trim looks to be in good shape. Then it has a nice cloth headliner and matching visors in real nice shape. And a nice deluxe polished wood steering wheel with the aluminum spokes. All new wiring too. You said new wiring harness in here. We don't get too many 1970s. Well, I don't get many AMXs at all. But actually, there was a strike that year. They only made about 4,000 of these. And this is a real AMX. So that motor is a 401 engine, completely remachined, bored, balanced, blueprinted, forged pistons, a special cut Howard cam, aluminum roller rockers, chrome moly push rods, got all sorts of good stuff, and all those specs will go with it. Also has a set of reworked aluminum Edelbrock heads, an Edelbrock high-rise intake. Looks like it's been coated, maybe powder coated. A quick fuel 650 dual feed carburetor. Nice open air cleaner. Looks like K&N filter. Love the polished valve covers with the red, white, and blue AMX. Those are really cool. And the whole engine compartment, wiring, hoses, all nice and neat and tidy. Batteries secured properly. So the front of the engine has a complete runner system, CVS I think it is. So it has a mini polished AC compressor. And you got all the nice billet pulleys, billet bracket, serpentine belt. Polished alternator. Modern power steering with the remote reservoir. Now, keeping it cool is an aluminum Edelbrock water pump. I like the hard hose with the compression clamps. Big aluminum radiator with an overflow, dual electric fans. Now, if you caught a glimpse of the AMX bag with the pump built into it for the washer fluid. And we also overlooked the ignition. It's a Max Fire. It's built by, made by Edelbrock, according to the paperwork. So we do have air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. The wiper motor he had restored, so it's rebuilt internally. The finishes were duplicated, so that's all redone. A lot of money and time in this engine compartment, and it runs strong. Michael's going to demonstrate that for you, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, gonna have a little fun as AMC AMX here. It's not every day we get one of these in the museum. You know, they're becoming more and more rare, harder to find, and of course always increasing in value. This one's really nice. I'm liking the motor. I had a chance to go around the block, and it's got a 401 under the hood, and it's paired with a 4-speed manual trans. That's how this thing's set up really nice. You can see as the suspension's been all redone. We're going over a bumpy road right now, and it's just eating everything up that you throw in front of it. It's very dialed in, and just a really nicely built car. Our shop went over it top to bottom. We spent about a $2,700 bill between service and detail, kind of just taking it to the next level. And it really is a cool car. Really quick too. So really liking the setup. Everything's nice and comfortable in here. You got the handy center console there with the cup holders, and I mean, she's fired right up and just wants to run. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to almost 70 miles an hour. With absolutely no issue. We're bumping down to 60 here, and yeah, just cruise for a second. I love the way that the clutch is set up. It literally, like, the throw is like this far. I feel like I don't even really need to pick up my heel off the floor to kind of manipulate the clutch there. So really great experience. Let's see how she goes down the road. I mean, this thing is like point on. Really digging the alignment. That is great as well. You know, come down, test drive it for yourself. You can spend as much time with the car as you'd like, and you can see that it's, you know, fantastic. Also, go on our website and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So we're not done yet. There's all sorts of good stuff underneath the car. It looks like the steering and suspension's all been redone. Upgraded steering box in front, has gas shocks at all four wheels. The brakes, the rear drums have been completely rebuilt. E-brake cables replaced. They're Willwood disc in the front. It's got a really nice looking, great sounding custom, all stainless steel exhaust. The headers are stainless that go into a big fat stainless pipes with the X pipe, stainless mufflers, goes all the way up to the back. The fuel system looks like that's been replaced. The tank is looks new. You look up at the motor, it has a Meloden anodized oil pan, high torque starter, rebuilt T10 4-speed, billet flywheel, McLeod clutches in there. It's either a new or rebuilt drive shaft. I think there was still a sticker on it. The U-joints all look fresh. They put 370 posi gears in the back end. So this thing's ready to rock and roll. Overall impression, again, a good looking car, a rare car. The red on red is amazing. That motor in this short little car, it's going to be a blast. You're going to be shifting the gears. You got air conditioning. It's going to be a great car to drive. As far as I'm concerned, anywhere you take it, it's absolutely gorgeous. You will know there's some flaws in the paint because you're going to get up close and wipe it down and look at it. But it's so sharp, no one else is going to notice. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your AMX delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.